Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Tan 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 tan. And for today's video, I'm going to be puppy updating you guys. I know you guys are so excited, but I'm going to be puppy updating you guys for today's video. 2 weeks update of the puppies. But first, why am I forming like this? We are gonna go somewhere, and I'm gonna be telling you the most exciting thing of when we are gonna go somewhere. Like this perfume. This is my favorite perfume of the Smart Collection. No point 96. The number is no point 96 and it's color blue. And the scent is holy water. Like, I know in the church, the holy water scent is actually like this. So that is so nice. Like, the smell is so cool. Like, I really want to smell it all day. But now let's just perfume it up so we can be nice when we go to the puppies and they are walking. Like, I'm so proud. And Charles, you know Charles? Charles is the biggest. And Skylar is the smallest. When they popped out. But now they are so big. Like, bro. They are all so big. But their size is just so... Their size... Even in my feet, I'm putting them. So this is going to be finishing them. Oh my god. Oh my god. But now let's just get straight on the video. Let's go. Shoosh. So we are gonna go to the puppies. So look at this. We are gonna go. Puppy. So they are nursing right now. Like, bro. Where is one? Where's the one puppy? Where? Oh, okay. They are outside. So this is their pen, and they are nursing right now. So they're what is the name of this again? Danielle. See, wait. See. They're right now walking. Like, bruh. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. And this is Danielle. Sleeping Beauty. Look at that. Charles is the biggest. And Skylar is the cry baby. Like, and he is keep on nursing because she is a crybaby. So Negra keep on nursing him, yeah. Oh my god, look at Asher, like, bro. Look at Asher. Oh my god, look at that. Did you guys see that? See, he is walking, see? Oh my god. They are walking right now, like, bro. They are walking with their mama. Look at how big is Danielle is compared to Skylar. It's like it's their same size, but no. See? In personal, they're so big. Like, I can't even tell. They're so big. Look at Danielle. She is so cute. Like, oh my god. In the camera, you can also see their browns, but in personal, it is so brown talaga. The brownness is Charles, so... Okay, look at them. Look at Char. I look at Danielle. Hindi ako nalilito sa mga names nila kasi they are not similar. Kasi may nagko-comment din ng mga similar daw sila. Paano namin nalalaman ang mga pangalan? So, si Charles, may dot siya dyan. May dot siyang brown. And si Danielle naman, may dot siyang white. So, yan! So, yeah. Look at that. They are nursing a lot. So yeah, bye. See you later. Nag-vlog ako para sa puppy update 2 weeks old. So yun guys, i-edit kong tong madali kasi i-vlog ko rin yung pag-alis naman. Kasi there's the special thing about us because we're gonna go to school. So yeah. So, hindi ko alam kung ilan minutes to. I think 4 minutes only. Like, but if a 5 minutes natin to with the outro. So, I'm not gonna be doing the outro. Let's talk. So, what was that? Oh my god. So, yeah. As you can see, they're walking. I'm so proud to be a fur brother. Like a fur brother. Yeah, a fur brother. Baby, fasten in the dark. No, a fur uncle. Because, oh my god. Gucci and Ningra is our brother and sister because we adopted them. So, a fur uncle. So, I am a fur uncle. Oh my god. I am so happy. So sorry for that. Nag-check kasi yung classmate. So as I was saying, they are so big. Like, I'm a fur uncle. Like, what? Like, so they are like this big. And they are so chubby, like this chubby. They are so chubby. And the face, I didn't show you Charles' face, but their snout, it's turning black. So I'm so excited. I'm gonna give you an update when their eyes are open. So next puppy update, I think their eyes gonna be open, but I don't know because I still don't know. So I think that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this awesome video. I think puppy update 2 weeks old. So 2 weeks old puppy update. So I think that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this awesome video. I hope you actually enjoyed it because I'm gonna be editing it very now because bro, I'm gonna be editing it. So I think that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this awesome video. Puppy 2 weeks puppy update. Yeah. So I think that's all for today, guys. Bye. Social medias are here. 10 social medias. Bye.